Good morning, everybody. Oh, life is good. Life is good. Make sure I'm all together here. I literally get ready in 15 minutes, and that's down to a science. Anyway, we have 23 days of inventory, everybody. That's wonderful, wonderful. We love having days of inventory. And we listed 127 homes, and that's fantastic. Because I like it when we list a little bit more than we sell, because that's going to slowly increase our inventory. We put 124 under contract and listed 127. We had 92 closings, and we're running at about 117 closings this month per day. Now, today is what, Wednesday? So probably maybe Friday, we might up that a bit. I know last month we did 148 a day by the end of the month. So we'll see. Sometimes it adjusts, and we had a holiday weekend. So maybe closings will be coming in more toward the end of July than throughout the month, like sometimes. And it all depends upon, what's going on for the month. So, yeah, that's my one smiley face. My other smiley face, oh dear. My other smiley face is you got to keep in mind the equity gain. And I talked the other day about using Remind to find non-owner occupieds. That means that they're investment properties. And if they've had them, a lot of them bought them back in 2008 and 9 when the prices were rock bottom. And so, and the majority of the non-owner occupied are mom and pops. Yes, the hedge funds and things like that, the institutions, they bought rental properties, but the majority of them are mom and pops. So when you go in there and you can do the date, you can do the price. There's so many things you can do in Remind to get a really good list of people that might be interested in selling. And then you do things like we did yesterday. Maybe you find them on LinkedIn and send them a message. Maybe you find them on Facebook and send them a message. Maybe you have their phone number. There's various ways to find people's phone numbers, and you send them a video text. Hi, Ruth. I noticed that you bought a home in 2008, and the equity now is about $330,000. Do you want to sell that one and buy a newer one that might have less maintenance, so that and the rents are going to go up in the next 2 years, 4 to 7%, and the newer homes will go up faster than the older ones, and you'll make more money because cash flow means you don't have better cash flow is that you don't have as much maintenance. So there's a whole little pitch that you can do on video. Video texting is really what you all need to get into. You cannot miss the boat on this one. And like I said in my promotion today, we have from now until probably 12/31/2023 to build our business. And I think everybody needs to focus. You need to start focusing on what do you like to do? What is your what it doesn't seem like work to you, but generates business that you could possibly just take 2 hours every day and just do it. I mean, can you just do that, please? I keep hearing Tom Ferry. He's always saying, well, the iBuyer platforms the interlopers are going to take a lot of our business because they're really marketing. They're really getting into the marketing. It's a $68 billion industry we have. That's how much we make in commissions across the United States with 1.5 million agents, and they want their piece of it. And you know what, everybody? They've done their homework. These people aren't stupid, of course. And I don't mean to imply that they would be, but the thing of it is, they know how many people don't do what they're supposed to do. 10% of us do 90% of the business. They got it. They figured it out. And they know if they can capture the business from the people that aren't doing as much business as they should, but are doing some business. I mean, who wouldn't be happy with 680 million? That's 10% of 68 billion. I think Jimmy said that the other day in our class. So who wouldn't be happy with that? And Zillow's figured that out. Zillow is in this for the long haul, everybody. They're buying homes, overpricing them. They're buying them anyway. They're fixing them up and renting them. They know what's going to happen. Inflation, I mean, history always repeats itself. Inflation is going to continue to increase the value of homes. And so they know that they're buying an asset today and that it's going to be worth 4 to 10% more in the next couple of years. And they're going to get a huge return on their investment. So because the rents have gone up, and they know that there is a lack of inventory of new homes, and there's a pent up buyers that want to buy homes. And so this is a perfect storm, and I don't want you all to miss it. And I think the economists, I think the economists that are telling Tom Ferry and Brian Buffini, and they're basically saying we really don't want to project past 2023, because guess what 2024 is? I think it's an election year. Yeah. So that's going to come into play. So I think that's why everybody's being a little cautious about going beyond 2023. Yes, interest rates are going to go up. They're going to go up. Karen, I love you. Karen says, "Hi, I'm here." Good. So the interest rates are going to go up probably 0.5%. And every time they go up, the people, I say, if you have buyers, tell them to buy the payment, not the price. The prices will go up, but if you buy it, but the payment will never go up, but your asset will go up. And so you're paying the same price over 5-10 years for an asset that's going to appreciate let's be conservative, 5 to 7% a year. And I know back when I took the Alex Sharfton's course on investing in Austin, what a great class that was. John and I got the CCIM designation. And I mean, one thing that he showed a video, and I don't know if it was Warren Buffett or who was it, just showed a chart over 30 years, the average increase in real estate is 5 to 7%. And so that's why it is people become millionaires owning real estate. So.